Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. I found this awesome box online and it was on sale for 35 euros. I paid for it myself, so this video is not sponsored or anything, but at that price, it's impossible for me to make the same 62 pieces as 3D prints. First, I have to buy some STL files, find the right miniatures, and then I have to print them. Today, I'll just go through what's inside the box and paint one of the miniatures. So let's get started. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. I need to cut away the cellophane. And I actually know what's inside the box, but let's have a look at it anyway. I really think Dungeons & Lasers are making some very good products. I previously got the City of Absalom. That was a gift from Mike Moans, and to be honest, I haven't unboxed and built anything from that yet, but that will be in another video. But let's see. There's 62 miniatures in this box, and they are all illustrated here on the back. I think they look pretty cool. There's a lot of city guards, and they will be very useful in the future. But let's see what's inside. Oh, so many sprues and so many parts. There's going to be a lot of work in here. But let's have a closer look here on the quality. Look at the details on this lady. Let's see if we can find someone who's worthy enough to be the first one to be painted. A man with a frying pan. Wow. Looks like all of them is in multiple parts and have to be glued together. I think there should be a scholar in this box, and I think he could be a potential candidate for the first paint. Let's see if we can find him. Well, he was not on this one. Let's have a look at the next. Do I really have to dig all the way through the bottom to find this one? Oh wow, look at this horse. Damn, it's so beautiful. Oh, it was not what we were looking for, but I can't wait to paint that one. And these bases? Oh, they are so different from each other and they have so many details on them. That is awesome. I really like the variation. Look at this. There's a trapdoor and a key lock. I think this one here is for the scholar. Now I just need to find the rest of him. There he is. Look at this. I think he needs a couple of hands and cape, but I think the cape is the one here on the left. Let's get him out of this sprue. I almost forgot how much work there is with sprues, but I used my side cutter to cut all the parts out, and then we need to clean it up. For that I used my X-Acto knife and a small file tool. All cleaned up, and now it's time to super glue everything together. And he's almost on his base. Let's use some activator to speed up the process. Yep, that worked. Now he will be there forever. Let's put some primer on him. For this, I'll use some matte black with my airbrush and give him a centerfold highlight with some white. I use this method of priming the miniatures a lot, especially when I'm using speed paint, which I'm going to use mostly on this miniature. First, I will use some thinned up Crusader skin for his face, and then I will move on to different colors and finish up all the details with some acrylic paints like highlights and the eyes. For this whole paint job, I only used Army Painter speed paint and the war paints. I think he's done now. This whole paint job took about half an hour, and I'm very satisfied on how it turned out. We are done with this little feller, and I really enjoyed painting him. He's a fun little guy, and a scholar, you can always use that. There's just 61 more to go in this box, and a lot of work, but I'm happy to do it. I can highly recommend if you need a lot of NPCs and people for your towns. This is a good choice. But this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this to the end. And if you think I earned it, please subscribe.